Hello. In this project, I used linear regression in Python and Jupyter Notebook to predict fish weight based on physical measurements. The goal was to explore the dataset, build a regression model, evaluate its performance, and explain how regression can be used in real-world decision making. Trying to get rid of this. Okay, good. So so as you see here, I started by loading the fish market data set from Kaggle using pandas. I used the read slash CSV function to import the file and then display the first few rows with data.head to verify that the dataset loaded correctly. The dataset includes features such as length 1, 2, and 3, height, and width. and the target variables is and the target variable is weight. And that's what you see right over here. And actually this whole section right here. And after installing this code, it'll bring me the data set output right over here from the Kaggle data set. And no, the data set from the fish market. Selecting features and target. After loading the data, I define that the input variables and the target variable. The input features were the different fish measurements, and the output was the fish weight. This is important because the regression model learns how the physical measurements relate to that target value. Next, I split the dataset into training and testing sets using train test split. I then created a linear regression model um, and trained it using the training data. After training, I used the model to generate predictions on the data and the test data. These predictions represent the estimated fish weights, and that's when you go all the way up here. That should be this whole set right here. To evaluate the model, I used the mean squared error and the R squared. The mean squared error measures how far the predicted values are from the actual values. So a lower value means better accuracy. The R squared value shows how well the model explains the variation in the data, and values closer to 1 indicate a stronger model. My optimized model had the MSE about 19,160 and a R squared of about 0.48848, which shows a strong performance. All this, okay. I also built a simpler model using only one feature, which was length 1. When I compared the results, the simple model had a higher MSE and a lower R squared value than the optimized model. This shows that using multiple relevant features improves prediction accuracy. And that should be over here, this side here. In the markdown section, I explained that the linear regression formula, where the predicted value is calculated using an intercept and coefficients multiplied by the input features. I also explained gradient descent, which is an optimization method used to reduce prediction error by adjusting the model's coefficients. And that should be, these are all my markdowns here. Regression models are widely used in business to predict sales, estimate demand, analyze pricing trends, and support better decision making. In conclusion, this project showed that linear regression is an effective method for predicting continuous values, such as fish weight, and the model performance improves when more meaningful features are included. Thank you.